Hello guys, this is your boy DEFI again, and I'd like to welcome you to my channel. You guys are doing an incredible job. For those of you who have not yet subscribed and hit the notification bell on my channel, I would suggest you guys you do that because I'm keeping you updated on all the platforms that I'm in. And in today's video, I just want to look at the DSP. And this is day number 9, guys. This platform is just incredible. So it started from day 1. This is the Tron that has been entering into that platform. So we closed day number 8 with 15 million Tron. It slightly dropped a bit from 17 million to 15 million, but still even this one is a big value compared to other platforms like T2X, which are having like 2 million every day. So if this platform is having 15 million in a day and it just dropped from 17 million, so that drop is just a simple drop, and it shouldn't worry anyone that wants to join this platform. And remember, 95%, if of course they're asking here, where does the Tron go? Let me show you guys. All the Tron that enters into the platform here, so 95% of them goes into the dividends. It's what the members who are having the shares share in that day. So the other 5% is reserved for promotion and platform development costs. So now the dividends that were shared earlier on, they got 95% of this, and it was shared amongst the members who are having shares into the platform. So that's all. So another thing also is that when you are new here, you can just read some of these questions in the FAQ. It can help you. These ones, you just click this drop down menu and read some of these FAQs. So the platform has got a Telegram channel. You just hit this figure, this symbol here, and it will bring the Telegram channel. It is open here. I've been following up it, and these guys here are crazy. They are following, and if you have any question, you can ask here. If at all your sponsor is offline, you can always come to the Telegram channel and ask these guys some questions. It has also got a Twitter handle here, and then these other buttons are the ones that appear at the top. They are just repeated. So, and another thing also, I've made some progress here, because if I'm to look at my stakes, I've been able to calculate them here. The dividends have so far earned, and they are incredible, guys. So these are the dividends I've so far earned from the days I've staked, and I've also earned some interest on my DSP. Remember, when you put up your DSP for staking, it earns interest. So these are the interests I've got, and my DSP is now valued at this current value, as you can see here. So if we were to look at this one here, it was started from 9,826 and 28. Now it is valued at 10,000. So it has got an interest of 317, and also plus some bonus days here. Remember that every 5 days you get a bonus day reward. So this stake passed the 5 days and it got this reward. Even this one has got its reward. These ones have not yet reached 5 days. That's why you see zeros here. And I've also withdrawn. I've made a withdraw. I put up a small stake for just 2 days, and I've withdrawn it this morning. Actually, it is the last video I've done before this one. So it was just for 94 TRX. I did it on purpose. Some people wanted to see withdraw proof, That's why I did that video. So I've so far done it here, and the link for the withdraw video is gonna be in the description of the video, as well as all my links for the videos I've made in this platform. So I pulled out my calculator and added all this before shooting this video, and I found out that I've so far earned 116,000 Tron in dividends from the DSP I put up for staking. So this is so far what I've earned, and today is just day number 9. Today is just day number 9. So today's auction, it is already open. As you can see, this is day number 9. The auction is open. If you are a beginner, you just have to come to, or as a beginner, you start from the start page here. So you have to click on the auction lobby. When you click on it brings you here, and you click on enter here. On day number 9, you enter the amount of Tron that you want to put here. Maybe let me say like 1,000. Then let me say 10,000. Either you enter with any amount that you want. There is no limit here. Then you click on enter the auction. It will pull out your wallet here, and as you see here, the function says X lobby enter. It tells you to enter into the lobby. So if you have the 10,000 Tron in your wallet, you just click on accept, and it will be transferred into the contract address, which is this one. Remember, it ends with 27. So I'm gonna reject this because I'm not entering the lobby today. So after you've entered, after your transaction is confirmed, it will appear here. For example, if you put in 10,000, the 10,000 will appear here, and you have to wait till this clock goes to 0, and this enter button will change into a collect button, where you will click on it, and your DSP, which is purchased, will go into the staking platform here. So your DSP will appear here, where you'll copy this number minus the points, you put it here, and the number of days you put it here, and then you click on stake, then it will appear here. So today morning I put up some stakes here, and it was worth 19k, as you can see here. So it is in waiting. When this clock goes to 0, it will start counting like this one, and it will give me the dividends. So guys, that's all I have for in this video. I just wanted to show you that I've so far earned this amount of Tron in dividends in just 9 days. See you in another video.